This is module 4, the last discussion of the chapter number 2 of your computer book, File Management, Organization of Data. This is the last discussion of this chapter. This is the module 4 discussion, and this is the page number 25. In this video, we are going to learn about how to sort the files. In another way, we can also frame a question based on this topic, and that is, what is the process of sorting of files by type, by name, by size, or the date created or modified? This is the question. And such kind of questions may come in your examination paper of your first term examination. See, before discussing this topic, we have to know what is the real meaning of sorting of files. Sorting, this is the process of isolation or separation or segmentation of files, or we can say any data file or folder, either by number 1 type, number 2 name, number 3 size, or number 4 date. And date may be of two kinds, created or the modified. These are the 4 things we should take into consideration while we are dealing with the case of sorting of files. These are number 1 type. By using this option type, we can sort the files. By using this option name, we can also sort the files. By using the size option, we can also at the same time can sort the files. And the last but not least, we can also use the option date, either maybe created date or the modified date. We can also segregate or isolate or segment or sort any file or data or the folder. In our computer system, this is the Windows 7, and in this Windows 7, we can easily sort any kind of file, folder or data, and there are different or many ways, and utilizing these steps, we can easily sort the files or the folders or the any data by using either type option or by size option or by date option, either maybe the created or the modified, or we can also use the ascending order or the descending order. There are different steps which are involved in this process of sorting of the files. Number 1, we have to first pay our notice on the start button. This is the start icon button, you can see, and this is the icon that is involved or should be noticed in the first step. That means we have to use the right key button of the mouse by placing the cursor of the mouse over or on this start icon button of the Windows. This is the first step, and doing so, or once it is done, such kind of shortcut menu will be appeared in front of our eyes, and there will be two kinds of options. Number 1, properties, and the another one is the Open Windows Explorer. We have to choose the second option, Open Windows Explorer, but we should not consider the first option, properties of the start icon button. And whenever this shortcut menu will be appeared in front of our eyes, we have to select the second option. This is Open Windows Explorer from this shortcut menu. This is the first step which is involved in the process of sorting of the files. And once it is done, such kind of interface of the Window Explorer will come in front of our eyes, and it will show two different parts. This is the LP, means this is the left, we can say, panel, and this is the right panel, and this is the margin. This is the margin that separates the LP from the RP. In the second step, we have to select any drive of the LP. This one, this is the left panel of this interface of the Windows Explorer, and there are different disks such as local disk C, local disk D, or maybe E. This is the system reserved G. In the second step, we have to choose any drive. Let's say here the chosen drive is the D, local disk D. And this kind of things that we have to choose or consider from the left panel. Clear? Okay, fine. This is the second step. After selecting any drive, depending on our wish, we have to now head for another thing. That is, we have to use the right button of the mouse, placing the cursor over the empty area of the right panel of the shortcut menu of the selected drive. This is the shortcut menu of the E drive, local disk E drive. And there are two panels. This is the left panel and this is the right panel, and these are the empty area. After the selection of E or any disk, depending on our option, choosing option, once it is done, we will have such kind of interface of shortcut menu of that drive, selected drive. And in this case, we have to once again use the right key button of the mouse by placing the cursor on the empty place of the right panel of this shortcut menu interface. Once it is done, we have to choose the option sort by. This is the shortcut menu, and there are different options to choose, such as view option, sort by, group by, refresh, customize. These are the share with, new, properties. These are the different options of the shortcut menu. We have to choose this option, sort by, and once it is done, it will have sub options, namely name, date, modified, type, size, ascending, descending, more, etc. Now these are the options that can be used for the sorting purpose of the files or the folder or the data. Any option. It will depend on our wish. If we want to sort any file or folder according to name, we have to choose this option, name. Or if we want to make sorting the files according to date modified, we have to choose this option, date modified. Or if we want to segment the files or the folders by type, we have to choose this option, type. Or if by size, we have to choose this option, size. Or may also opt for ascending or the descending order. These are the options we have to choose as per our necessity. This is the final step, that files will be sorted depending on our selection. If our selection is name, the files will be sorted by name. Or if it is done considering date modified, the files will be sorted by date modified. Or if it is done by choosing the type or size option, the files or the folders will be sorted by this type or the size. For the convenience, this is the figure 2.1.7, and here the option is that has been chosen, date modified. This is the option that has been chosen to make a clear sense of utilizing these various options. Here the option that has been chosen is date modified. Therefore we can say all files of this selected local disk E will be sorted as per the date modified. You can have a view over this area of the selected local disk E drive. Date modified, this one. These files are sorted by this option, selected option, date modified. These are the steps we need to follow whenever we are heading for the process of sorting of the files by type, name, size or date. And we have to write, or we have to mention these steps whenever the question mention the sorting process of files by type, name, size or date will be asked in the examination paper. I hope this is clear to you all, and this is the completion of your chapter. And at the same time, with this completion of this chapter, we have also covered the whole syllabus of the first terminal examination. From our next class, I will start the new chapter of the second term examination. Thanks for watching.